Alright, welcome to my channel. This is Lock Chuck. What I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna try to pick this Brava 30mm padlock. It is a 4-pin lock. I don't know if you can see if it's showing up, but you can see the cutout or the plugs for the locking paws, the retention pin, and then the 4 key pins. So can't tell why there's 1, 2, 3, 4 key cuts. I'm gonna use Topo Keyway and try. This lock is very camera shy, so we'll say the camera's not on. I'm just practicing before the camera comes on or something. Because as soon as the camera knows the camera's on, it will not open. Oh my goodness, finally got it on camera. This is only like the 6th or 7th try, but it is open and it is on camera. So, all right, big thank you to Pocket Women for sending me this lock. Came from Australia in her last package. Thank you, lady, or Pocket Women, for sending this to me. I appreciate it. So that's the Bravo 30mm brass padlock picked. Thanks for watching.